Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. But today is not actually an English lesson. I just want to let you know on how to pronounce brand names. But of course, let's go first for the intro. Are you ready for this? All you have to do is look at the word and repeat the pronunciation after me. I will give you few brand names. To start off, Hermes, Hermes, Chevrolet, Chevrolet, Ikea, Ikea, Porche, Porche, Givenchy, Givenchy. That's all. I will just give you a few words so that it will be easy for you to memorize. Thank you so much for listening, and please always don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in store for you. Thank you so much for watching, and please practice those words. You are all amazing.